Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. In this video I am going to show you how you can earn 50 cents per hour doing nothing. This may not seem to a lot, but it is good for people who are actually wanted to earn their first few $100 online. So this is the system for those people, as it requires no experience, only requires your mobile phone and an internet connection, and it is also a very low payout offer. So as soon as you hit the $1 mark, you can cash out to your preferable payment method, and it is also a legit site. So I will also show you proof in this video. Keep watching this video till then so you do not miss out any important point. But before actually starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel Khan Marketing, here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. So if you are that kind of a mind, then I recommend you to subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you wanted to start making online income using my most recommended system, then I recommend Commission Hero to everyone. I will put that link in the description box. This is another new success story from this guy, as this guy just started earning good income online, $326 from one day. This is really powerful system from ClickBank's #1 affiliate. So you are actually learning strategies from a guy who are making more than $50,000 per day. So I recommend you to join that system and be part of this system, and more than 2200 members has been part of this group already. So make sure to follow that link in the description box below. Now let's move to our today's video. First of all, I will share you the website that is known as cashmagnetapp.com. It is actually an app. All you need is to download that app into your cell phone. It is offering currently in the Android form, so you must have an Android system, and it is free to use. Which operating system is supported? So Cash Magnet is only available for the Android phone. Are there any addition requirement? So there is no addition requirement. Actually, this app works in the form of point system. Once you install that app into your cell phone, it will start working at the back end. You do not need to do anything at all. Neither it will gather the data from your cell phone, and nor it is suspicious. So just install it on your cell phone. It will work in the behind, so it will show you some of the ads or some of the games. So just ignore these things, but you are actually making money by installing that app, and you are actually earning points. And once you have enough points, you can convert these points into gift cards, or you can even convert it into the money. So once you have $1, you can withdraw that money into your PayPal account. So just look at the minimum payment, $1. What are points and how much they are worth? Points are the virtual currency used in Cash Magnet. 10 point is worth $0.01, so $1 is worth 1000 points. Apart from this, you can also participate in their referral bonus program. There is a 2-level referral program, so you will receive 5% of the earnings for the person you invited, and 5% of the earnings for the person whom your referral invited. So if you wanted to earn more from this system, I recommend you to invite more people and motivate these people to invite their people. So that's how you can earn from 2 referral system. Now if you just look at the app, this is the app. It is just it is just an interface of this app, and you can see that today's earning, yesterday earnings, month earnings, and it will also show the activity level. And there are get more money from your Android phone. We pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing. From here you find the home page, referral program, and FAQ section, and after that I will take you to the forum from where you can confirm that this is a legit app. And you can see the status here, legit Cash Magnet app reviews, and some of the members have already posted few payment proofs. Just look at this. $103, and just you can also find a lot of data about this app here. Just move downward and there is a summary about this app. How does this app work? I just recommend you to go through this system. These are some of the payment proofs, total balance. If I just click on big, you can only find this at the Google Play Store. Download, install and register with the app. Now turn the app on and leave it running in the background of your phone. Every 5 minutes you allow the app to run it in the background, you will earn points. They say the app wouldn't interfere with your phone or collect any data of your phone. The phone must access the internet in order to get paid. You can request a payout after your account reaches $1. They will pay you via Amazon gift card, $1, $3, $5 and $10, Google Play gift cards and all other gift cards, popular companies out there. So there are actually no complaint. Most of the people are actually praising about this app, so you can join this app to start making some income. Definitely it is not an income that could replace your job, but it is good for the beginners who have not even earned their first dollar online. So join this app as soon as possible and start making money online. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also click the like button on this video and share it with your friends and other people. That's all for today. Thank you.